Hello, cloud pioneers! Welcome to Cloud Nuvo, your go-to channel for all things cloud. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of Amazon Web Services and its incredible features. So if you're new to the cloud universe, you're in for a treat. Imagine our world wrapped up in an invisible digital net. This net is what makes our apps run, websites load, and your cat videos stream smoothly. And guess what? A big part of that net is made up of cloud services. Among the giants in this domain is Amazon Web Services, or AWS. It's like a colossal digital toolbox that empowers developers and businesses worldwide. Think of AWS as a massive virtual tool shop with tools designed to help you store data, run applications, and even deploy machine learning models. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering about cloud significance, let's break it down. Gone are the days of bulky hardware and tangling cables. With AWS Cloud, you can access computing power and storage on demand. As you can see, we can increase the number of VMs as the demand increases and reduce the number of VMs on reduced demand, as all this with a few simple clicks of the button. And here's the magic part. You only pay for what you use. Yes, that's cost efficiency at its best. Now, here are some cool features of AWS. Global reach. AWS has data centers across the globe, ensuring you can serve your users from almost anywhere. Flexibility. Whether you're into web apps, big data, or machine learning, AWS has got your back. Security. AWS takes security seriously with multiple layers of protection. Easy to start. Even if you're a newbie, AWS has tons of resources to get you off the ground. Feeling the excitement yet? We hope so. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you're keen on mastering AWS and beginning your cloud journey, the AWS Cloud Practitioner Essentials certification is a great place to start. You'll get to explore deeper into AWS services, architectural principles, and the core value propositions. Coming up next, AWS Global Infrastructure with regions and availability zones. If you found this enlightening, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's embark on this cloud journey together.